Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have the first part of a nice haul from Edgy Normal of diamond paintings. These are promotional items, and I got about 6 of them today, so we're gonna try to see how we can do these faster. But before that, if you are new to my channel and you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can get notified of all the videos that comes out. I have a playlist of different crafts that I have done, and welcome. The most important thing is welcome over here. And also to the regular subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for keeping company, and comment below of any canvas that you might like. There is a discount code in the description box for Edgy Normal people who wants to get any of the canvases, okay? So without further ado, let's do it. Let's start. One thing I did, again, I took the canvas out of the plastic. I took the drills, and all of them had the same basic toolkit. None of them had anything special or anything like that, which is a wax, a boat, and the pen. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. This first one is, you guys know me, the ones that have been here for a while know me that I love poinsettias or poinsettias. I love them. I love them so much. I love them so much. Every time that I see something that I have a poinsettia that I can do, I get it. And I saw this one. Look at how beautiful it is. The glue is okay. Yeah. And it has 20 colors. All of them are letters, okay? And boy, and this one, the drill field is very big. I mean, the letters, you can see them. They're very clear, nice and big. But look at this poinsettia in a stained glass format. That's so beautiful. That's nice and simple. Here is the drills, and I'm gonna get my marker because we need to put the canvas, because I separate the canvas from the drills. Here are the colors. Beautiful colors. Sparkly drills. Okay. Very sparkly drills. So this one is NH 3861. Okay, so we have that one. And I need a place where to put them. Okay, the next one is a special drill. It's a 30 by 40, and I love it. It's properly for the occasion, fall time. This one has 12 color or 12 special drills. Special drills, and take a look at this, how pretty it is. Sorry for the glare. I'll try not to. Look at the drills. Look at the flowers. 4 flowers and 4 leaves. Oh yeah. And the glue is good, and it's not outside, it's a partial, okay? You don't do the surroundings, you just do the whole item, but it's a lot, you know? Because look at this, it's special. Let me get you closer. Beautiful. Let's take a look at these drills. I forgot to open this one. As a matter of fact, I think I forgot to open a couple of them. Here they are. Beautiful, sparkly, don't scratch. I hardly been finding any scratch on the rhinestone drills. They are beautiful. Take a look at this marquee in green, faceted. Faceted is better because the light will, you know. And here is some medium half round crystals. Oh, here it is. Oh, where is the... Oh, here it is. Oh, I gotta find out. I show you the wrong drills. I'm sorry. These drills belong to the next canvas that I'm gonna be showing you. But this one is ESY 167. And I show you ESY 170. So let's do this again. Sorry about that. This is a canvas that I just show you. It's better to correct in time. Here is the true drills. I'm talking about this canvas. The one that I just show you. This one. So here it is. We have some ABs in black. Some crystals. Crystals in good shape, no scratch. I'm sorry about that, guys. That is my CGM. I'm not going to check my sugar now. Look at these golden ones. Beautiful. And this one. These are the real two drills of this one. Now, let's go to the next one. Take a look at this one. Also a 30 by 40. I think this is a series for the fall. And this one has 7 colors or 7 special drills. This one only has 7. Take a look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful fall colors. look, we have a frog in there. Oh no, it's not a frog. It's a leaf. Oh my goodness. And here are the 2 drills for this one. Again, these are the 2 drills for this one. 7 colors. Oh my. I cannot put drills on my lap because otherwise they will, and this one we have these little bags that we hate because they take us longer to kit it up. A whole bunch of blues. Let's see. Oh, this is a scenery. And this one has the circle. It has 23 colors and it's a 30 by 40. I don't know how well this is gonna come out because it's a 30 by 40. It's not gonna have that much of a detail, especially on the trees and flowers. I gotta get me one of those. I think I have one. The straighteners. Here it is. I think this is gonna be pixelated a little bit. Here is the thumbnail. It's 23 colors, numbers and letters, and the numbers run from 1 to 8. It has the guide circles, but you're not gonna find much detail, especially down here at the bottom part. And then we got these. The blue is for the sky. There's a lot of blue on this one. And the muted colors. The next one. Oh, I love this one. This is a Christmas one. This has 21 color. By the way, all of them have the DMC code except for the 2 special drills. Here is a Christmassy one. I don't know what it says over here. Santa stop here. The only word that I can make up is Santa. It's a cat. You can hardly see the face. I think this one is going to be a little pixelated too. The drill fill is clear. The glue is good. And also this one came with the same bagging thing. And I forgot to put the this is B5052. Make sure. Here are the colors. has 21 colors. And the next one, this one I like. This one has 20 colors, all letters. I like the colors in this one. "20 colors. I like it. It's beautiful. A lot of blues on it. That tree is in the drink. The drill fill is clear, and this, the glue is okay, and this canvas is sparkly. You see it? Look at how sparkly it is. And the drill fill is clear too. You're gonna need a light pad, but get you closer. And the drills, it has the canvas number in the sticker over here, 87875. And take a look at this. The blues. So this is pretty, pretty, pretty. Blues and greens and red. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping company. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Okay? Don't forget to hit the subscribe. There are videos at the end. Links of the videos at the end. So, welcome again to the new subscribers. Until the next time, all you lovely have love and peace. Bye.